Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a custom HTML email template in Gmail using Maileditor. So here's our custom HTML email template. I am just removing it. Let's go to maileditor.net/dashboard. There is a template library you can choose from their templates, or you can upload a template your own. To upload a template, go to Email Editor. Click on Upload HTML. Select your file. Give it a name and click on Upload. Then click on the email template. Click on Export. If you want to make any changes of your HTML, you can do it from here very easily. After finishing the editing, you can simply click on Export. Click on Gmail. Click on Copy the Template button. Go to Gmail. Compose and paste it here. That's it. To save it as a template, you need to turn on the template option from Settings. Advanced. Template Enable. Click on Save. Go to Compose. Test it here. Click three-dot. Click on Templates. Save draft as a template. Save as a new template. And save it. After that, whenever you compose the new email, go here, and select your template. That's it.